Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Richard Fleming, and today is Thursday, October 1st, 2020. I realize it's been several days since I've been on here, and I apologize if you've been looking for me to give you some updates on our research study. Uh, During this period of time, as the data is coming in, as I'm collating it, as we're beginning to analyze the results, it is hopefully understandable that my focus will be less on providing YouTube updates as much as it is to actually getting the answers to the questions of, is there a treatment for COVID-19 or SARS CoV-2? The quick answer to that question is there are treatments. We have now 1,800 people from 23 sites in 7 different countries that have provided data that occurred between the middle of April and about the middle of September to late September. A number of individuals who were treated as outpatients on a variety of regimens that there's no statistical shakedown of in the papers that I've seen so far. We'll have some of that data because it was outpatient settings. It won't have FMTVDM or some of the blood work that would be helpful, but it does have information about comorbidities. There was approximately 500 and some odd people who didn't require any treatment at all, who were relatively asymptomatic or asymptomatic and did well without any treatment. There were 501 individuals who, despite whether they received treatment or hadn't received treatment before being admitted to the in-hospital part of the protocol, ended up coming in, and we split those up into 2 different phases. As we come out with the studies, you'll have a better understanding of why those 2 different phases occurred and the meaning for treatment. While everybody is having some challenges with the production of a vaccine that won't prevent you from getting SARS-CoV-2, it will simply gear up your body's antibody and T-cell system in preparation for an exposure. I think you'll find it comforting to know that the treatments that are available are not expensive, relatively speaking, and it is different, in fact, than what you've been hearing about in the literature. So some similarities, but by and far some changes that we didn't expect to see. That's the fun of doing research, is getting answers to questions real time as the data is being looked forward to. So I look forward to sharing more of this with all of you, and of course the medical journals. We're still waiting on a couple of the papers that have been submitted for reviews, and so I can't really give you much more information about that, except to say that all is not lost. This is a virus that can be treated by focusing on the targets for the virus as well as the body's response to the virus. Thank you. Happy October. It is, again, October 1st, and it took about 10 months to collect all this information, and the process we're going through now is very much a labor of love. So I look forward to sharing all of that with you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.